How many of you agree option 1? Please raise your hand. Which one is red? If you agree option 1, please raise your hand. Thank you. Please drop your hand. How many of you agree with option 2? 1 or 2? There is no space for or. If that's the case, I would have given option 3 both. So can anyone say that option 1 is wrong? No. Option 2 is wrong? No. So which means it purely depends on the way we look, the way we decide things. If we first look at option 1, it says red. But if we think logically, sir, you have mentioned something? Okay. But my question here is which one is red? Because I have not clearly mentioned based on.
Exactly. Red అని క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ పెట్టారు మీరు.
Okay.
అది కలరా లేకపోతే వర్డ్ లో రాసిందని మీరు మెన్షన్ చేస్తే అది మేము ఆన్సర్.
Okay. So how many of you believe that question is wrong? No, I'm not taking. I have a point for that. Thank you so much for that, because I'm expecting the same thing. Okay, because to take it forward, I need inputs from them or from each and every person. Then only I can take it forward. Yes, ma'am. Fine. How many of you believe that that question is wrong? How many of you believe that that question is wrong? How many of you believe that question is right? Fine. Here, as I mentioned, each and every slide, whatever I present, there is nothing specific right or wrong. It's a point of taking the decisions. The same way, in your life, you'll be having two ways. It seems both the ways are right. Unless until you reach the destination, you realize that we have taken right or wrong destination, yes or no. So each and every situation of our life, this question plays a major role. If we look superficially, it seems yes, I can go because we have many people going here, we have many people going here, because we have a word red and red, we went. But after reaching our destination, we realize that this is not our way. Yes or no? So if you relate back to your personal life, definitely this question will help you to take decisions. All the things would be similar. It depends on how you take the decisions. If you relate the same question to our first scenario, what is that first scenario, sir? In our first session, we have given one scenario, taking decisions. Alcoholic. How many of you remember that alcoholic story? Two sons, right? It depends on taking the decisions. Here also, taking the decisions. In interpersonal skill, decision making matters a lot. Yes or no? Because whatever decision we take, that will impact a lot in our career, personally as well as professionally. For example, if I invested money in stocks, let's take, I have invested some money in Bitcoin. After a couple of years, that Bitcoin got shut down. So people will say that, who told you to invest there? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let's take another scenario. I have invested in land, and after 2 years, that money got tripled or 10 times, 10x. So what did people tell? I know this person is different, his thoughts are different, that is the reason he he has taken that land and now he is becoming rich. So it depends on what? Decision and situation and, sorry ma'am, end result. Yeah, exactly. Achievement and any other words? Goals. Any other? Fine. Perfect planning and thinking, future planning. So how many of you heard these kind of words in your day-to-day life, somewhere at your office or home or children or parents, friends? Out of 6, How many words you heard on regular basis?
All those we will facing regularly.
So how many of you believe that these 6 things plays a major role in our life? Please raise your hand if you believe that these 6 things will plays a major role. If you have a problem solving capacity, if you have a decision making, self motivation, leadership, relationship building and communication,